I'm installing a new vanity top. This is an Onyx brand top that comes with a tube of color matched seam fill. I'm also going to use 100% silicone indoor-outdoor caulking to adhere the top to the vanity. Begin by running a bead of caulking around the top edge of the vanity perimeter and on any middle supports. Once all the edges have been caulked, bring the vanity top in and place it straight down on the vanity as square to position as possible. Adjust into position, making sure the edges are against the walls. Press down to set into place. Next, I installed the backsplash on the side wall. Note that the corner has been modified in the factory and rounded. This is the corner that is positioned downward where the vanity top meets the rear backsplash. Dry fit the backsplash into place, making sure all seams and edges are square. If satisfied with the fit, use the caulking to adhere it to the wall. I'm using the color match sealant just in case any gets exposed on the wall while pressing into place. However, any indoor-outdoor caulking will work. Run a liberal amount around the backsplash, giving special attention to the perimeter and the center. Fit and press it into place, holding it until it feels secure. Next, using silicone caulk or the color match sealant, run a bead down the seams. Then run a finger down the sealant to remove the excess and to give it a smooth appearance. Now put painter's tape on the wall at the top edge of the backsplash in this manner. Run a bead around the perimeter where the backsplash meets the wall. Smooth the seam with a finger and immediately remove the tape, leaving a perfect straight line. And finally, let the top sit without use for 24 hours in order to let the caulking cure.